Hello dear students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss of some objectives of building planning and drawing. So let's start objectives. The aggregate area of doors and windows shall not be less than dash dash of floor area of room. So option first is 1/10, second 1/9, third 1/7 and fourth one 1/6. So as per the IS code, the area of such openings excluding the area of doors should be minimum 1/10 of the floor area for dry hot climate and minimum 1/6 of the area for wet hot climate. If we are taking the average of these both values, then we will get the aggregate area of doors and windows, that is 1/7. So option C is correct answer. Next objective, the ratio of the total floor area inclusive of all the floors to the area of plot on which building stands is known as. Option first is groundage, second plot area, third floor area and fourth one built up area. So the correct answer for this question is built up area, that is option D is correct. Next objective, the layout plan which shall be drawn on scale of not less than 1:100, 1:500, 1:1000 and 1:50. So as per the National Building Code, scale for layout plan is specified as 1:500. So the answer is 1:500, that is option B is correct. Next objective, when building bylaws came into force? April 1984, July 1983, April 1983, July 1974. So the correct answer is April 1984, that is option A. Next objective, a dash dash layer is in proportion 1:2:4 is generally provided at the plinth level to work as a damp proofing course. Option first mortar, second cement concrete, third stone, fourth brick. So generally cement concrete is used as a layer at the plinth level to work as a DPC. So option B is correct. Next objective, due to dash dash the dampness finds its way to the floors through the substructure. Option first action of rain, second exposed top of walls, third rising of moisture from ground and fourth condensation. So the answer for this question is rising of moisture from ground. Option C is correct. Next objective, the full form of BIS is first option Board of Indian Standards, second Bureau of Indian Standard, third Bureau of International Specification, fourth Board of International Standard. So as we know, the BIS is nothing but Bureau of Indian Standard, that is option B is correct. Next objective, the proper and sufficient ventilation result in absence of option first condensation, second deposition, third precipitation and fourth circulation. So the correct answer is condensation. Next objective, the process in which the difference of temperature between outside air and inside air tends to deposition of moisture on the room surface is known as. So that process is nothing but the condensation. So answer D is correct. Next objective, the minimum area of windows should be dash dash of the floor area in case of the public building. Option 1 10%, second 15%, third 20%, fourth 25%. So the minimum area of windows should be 20% of the floor area in case of the public building. So the option C is Correct. Next objective. Dash dash is used to indicate the architectural effects produced by the elevation in relation to width, height, position of the doors and windows, material employed in the construction of external wall, etc. Option first, furniture requirements. Second, elegance. Third, roominess. And fourth, grouping. So the answer for this question is elegance. So B is correct answer. Next objective. Dash dash is a flexible material which is commonly used for the damp proofing. Option 1, hot bitumen. Second, bituminous felts. Third, mastic asphalt. Fourth, metal sheet. So the correct answer for this question is hot bitumen. That is option A is correct. Next objective. Which of the following is not a component of a door shutter? Option 1, stile. Second, panel. Third, frame. Fourth, rail. So as we know, the stile, panel and rail, these are the component of shutter. So remain, what is remain? Frame. So the option C, that is frame, is correct for this question. Next objective. The term dash dash is used to refer the effect derived from space of room, that is its length, width and height. Option 1, prospect. Second, sanitation. Third, privacy. And fourth is roominess. So the correct answer for this question is roominess, because roominess is nothing but the feeling of spaciousness. Next objective. Landscape architecture comes under in which principle of planning? Option first, function. Second, form. Third, aesthetic. And fourth, elegance. So the correct answer is aesthetic. That is option C is correct. Next objective. Which of the following components of a door is an assembly of horizontal and vertical member? Option 1, shutter. Second, frame. Third, frog. And fourth one, noggin. So as we know, a door consists of mainly two parts, that is door frame and door shutter. A frame is an assembly of horizontal and vertical members. So the correct answer is frame. So option B is correct. Next objective. Which of the following types of plans is the plan at the roof level? Option first, foundation plan. Second, floor plan. Third, terrace plan. And fourth, structural plan of a typical floor. So the answer is terrace plan. That is option C is correct. Next objective. Dash dash used to mean the regulation of admitting more or less sunshine in the room. The answer of this question is aspect. That is option D. Next objective. As a principle of planning, the term dash dash is used to mean architectural hygiene. Option 1, sanitation. Second, drainage. Third, water supply. And fourth is wastewater. So the architectural hygiene is related to sanitation. So the correct answer is sanitation. So option A is the answer of this question. Next objective. The dash dash is required to control dust and other impurities. Option 1, circulation. second sanitation, third ventilation, fourth purification. So as we know, so the controlling dust and other impurities from coming into the building is the main cause of insisting proper ventilation. So the correct answer for this question is ventilation, that is option C. Next objective, dash dash in a building means the free passage of clean air in the building. Option 1 habitation, second protection, third sanitation, and fourth is ventilation. So the option D, that is ventilation, is correct. And the last question, the horizontal platform between two flights of a stair is known as option 1 landing, second pitch, third nosing, and fourth one rise. So the landing is the correct answer, that is option A. So these are the some objectives of building planning and drawing. So in next video we will discuss more objectives of subject building planning and drawing. Thank you.